G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast. This video we will have a look at this 1976 Ford CL9000, the 1/64 scale from IXO models. A very nice looking Ford, I do like these ones a lot. It's underneath the box there. Numbers, licensed Ford product. Let's get this out. Hope everyone's doing fine and collecting what they want. Come on. We'll open up both ends. There we go, nice and easier. Some are a little difficult to get out sometimes. The old cardboard just holds onto them. Alright. Looks even better out of the packaging, but we will get the rest open and have a good look. Alright, I'll be back with you in a minute. I'll undo these screws. Alright, got that off the base. There we go, let's see how it rolls. Yep, it rolls. They normally always roll. Tyres might not be straight, but they always roll. Just like these ones are a little out. So they all are, but it's easy to fix. And you don't play with them anyway, so it doesn't matter if the tyres are a little out. Once it's sitting in place, it looks fine. Alright. Okay, good enough. I'll stop playing with that now. Alright. Everything looks good under there. Now, where's my little pointer? Okay, we'll start at the front, as I always do. Front looks excellent. Can't really see any problems. Just a tad there, a bit of the, obviously, you can see it there, just a little black bit. We'll see where the flashing was, where it was held onto its mould or whatever. But it doesn't look bad. Number plate. What is it? I can't see it with my eye. Can this camera focus? If we take that away, maybe. No. No, sort of, yes. No. Where's me? 7. Find me. Use me magnifying glass here to see what. No. I can't see what that is. Someone with good eyes, not a problem. You'll see it fine. But I don't know what that number plate is, the state on that number plate, I don't know. But everything else looks good. The 9000, headlights look good. Indicators are just chrome pieces with the translucent orange, but do look good though. Very nice windscreen wipers, as they usually are. They're photo etched windscreen wipers that look very good, highly detailed. Windscreens look good. No problems at all. We can see inside the cab there, if you can So we can see right through to the back. As you can see, that they haven't sort of painted the back. It's got a bit of a mist on there of paint. That's about all. But there is what sort of resembles a bed in there, and that's it. Just black interior, black seats. I'm pretty sure they don't put. No, I think that's got. Hang on, let me have a look here by myself so I can hopefully see something. No, I couldn't make it out. I can't remember if I've seen it on the others, whether it's got all the dash there, as in coloured instruments and things, I'm not sure. We have a separate grab rail here on the side. We can see the window down here on the door. Mirrors are chromed with little aerials on them. And then we've got the little vent window for the sleeper and the toolbox door. A couple of steps there. And you can see the split in the side there, in the guard there, from where the cab would tilt forward. On this model, they don't tilt forward. Got two horns and some bullet style marker lights there. Two stacks at the back. Our fuel tank, which is good because this doesn't have the join on the side. It has it at the bottom where they all should be. I don't know why they've done it with the Fords. The Fords always seem to have the split at the bottom and top, whereas where it should be. Most other models have it on the side and it looks terrible. I don't know why they've done that. It's just things I'm learning over time, is most of the Fords don't have a join on the side, which looks much better. If they can do it with these, why can't they do it with the rest of them? IXO, or whoever makes IXO and these type of models, stop putting the split on the side of the tank. Put it up the top here, top and bottom. Now this one's done. Why can't you do that with the rest of them? So, I don't know who makes them, but they need to change the design. This looks, much better. Because most of the time you're looking at the model from the side. You're not looking at it from the top. You can see the split there, but it doesn't matter. It's at the top. Some people are going to put trailers on them, so you're not really going to see that much. The split's at the bottom. Again, you don't look at the bottom of the truck much. You're always looking at it from the side. So I don't know why they have to put the split there. We've got the deck plate here. We've got all the leads. Turntable, and it does pivot pretty good. Some chrome quarter guards here at the front. We've got our mud flaps at the back. This one here's got the number plate on it. And two brake lights and indicators. And then the other thing I sort of wish they wouldn't do as well is this here. The diff housing at the top there, where you can see it's just open, the axle goes through it there. It'd be better if it was sort of filled in like the bottom. But again, we don't necessarily look at the top, we look at the side. So, and if you're someone that puts trailers on them, then the IXO need to start making more trailers, which they sort of are. They're starting to make trailers, but trucks and trailers as well. So it's, we need just trailers. We need a flat top trailer, drop deck trailer, reefers and everything like that. I think they'd do better with sales. If they made trailers for them and separately, releasing a set of new trucks with trailers, but we need just trailers for all our existing trucks. So yeah, exhaust this side, or both there, two at the back. Again, same here, window on the door latch and lock there, and the vent window, separate handle and mirror. Looks good. This is a like a dark, like a maroon colour, top bottom, white in the middle with red and maroon stripes, which looks pretty good. Alright, got that spinning on the turntable there. We'll have a look around the truck without my fingers in the way, but it is a very nice model. I will have one of these on my eBay site. So go check it out. Can't guarantee it's going to be there by the time this video comes out, but have a look anyway. There might be something else there that catches your interest. At the moment I'm not posting overseas, just Australia. Most of the time you guys can get it cheaper overseas than what it would be for me to send it to you. So alright, so check out the other videos popping up. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share the video as much as you can. And I will see all you good people on the next video. Alrighty, bye for now.